So our topic for today is exploring the user interface of AutoCAD. So under the pages of exploring the user interface, so these are the step-by-step procedure on how to run the software. So for step 1, you need to double click the AutoCAD 2015 icon on your desktop. I am using an AutoCAD 2015 version. Probably yours are different version, probably 2018, 2019, 2020, or the latest, which is 2021. So the initial screen will appear if you run the software as shown in the figure below. Okay, this is the uh, welcome interface of AutoCAD. So as you can see, there's a get started, so recent documents available which are recently opened and saved from your PC, and you can simply sign in to Autodesk 360 so that you could connect. Okay, so select the drawing for step 2. You need to select the start drawing icon on the getting started tab on the left side of the screen. So probably if you have already run the software, so uh, you can select the get started in order for you to go to the annotation and drafting workspace of AutoCAD. Okay, but before that, as you can see here, there are two tabs, the create and the learn tab. So if I select the learn, there are some short videos available in AutoCAD. Okay, you can watch them, and it's the tour of the user interface. Create objects, these are the drawing tools, and the modify objects, these are the editing commands. Okay, so I'll just go back here under create. I can select this one or this create arrow going to the right. Okay, so I'll select get started. Okay, so this is the user interface of AutoCAD. Okay, I'll just give you a short tour of our user interface. So as you can see, under home ribbon tab, okay, you can see the draw panel. So the draw tools or draw commands are available here, and then the modify panel, that is the editing panel, which has the erase, move, copy, and so on. Annotation, these are the simply adding of text or adding of dimensions. Okay, you can also add dimensions using the annotate ribbon. Okay, so the whole screen, as you can see, this has grid lines and it's colored black or dark gray. Okay, this is the whole drawing area. Okay, this is where your model or your profile will be sketched. Okay, this is the view cube. Okay, these are the navigation bar. Then this is the applications menu. Okay, you can create a new file, open existing, save or save it as. You can also plot or print. Okay, so that's the application menu. Next to it is the quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar. Probably yours will be different. Okay, I'll just remove the workspace and hide the menu bar. Okay, so somewhat the user interface of the AutoCAD is somewhat similar to the other versions. Okay, so these are the model or workspaces. Okay, so this is the model. This is where your drawings will be created. Okay, these are the layout tabs. Okay, you can add a new layer and you can rename that. Okay, and just select it, and then I'll just say that, let's say that's the front view. Okay, then whenever you edit anything, okay, from the layout, you should edit it in the under model. Okay, one of the most important part of the user interface will be the command line. So under the command line, okay, this is where AutoCAD communicates with you. Okay, now going back to the module. Okay, so after selecting the start drawing icon, okay, AutoCAD user interface appears. Okay, it's like what I have shown you earlier. Okay, so I have provided you this figure for clarity. Okay, so the drawing area under this, it's colored white, but then in reality it's the grid dark area where the grid lines are available. Okay, and then that's the cursor, UCS icon, or universal user coordinate system. Okay, the layout tabs. Okay, status bar, navigation bar, the ribbon. Okay, ribbon panel, application menu, quick access toolbar, okay, the title bar, and so on. Okay, I have provided you here their basic functions. Okay, you might want to read them and explore the user interface on your own. Okay.